Hello and welcome to PC Party. Today, we're going to talk about how to build a high-performance custom PC with a budget of $2,000. With this budget you can build a system that can handle even the most demanding applications and games at 4K at high settings. And keep in mind that the prices mentioned in this video are subject to change. For an up-to-date list of the components used in this build, please refer to the description below. First, let's start with the motherboard. We recommend the Asus TUF Gaming B650 Plus AM5 motherboard. This motherboard supports the latest AM5 processors and it features PCIe 4.0 support, multiple M.2 slots for NVMe SSDs, and dual-channel DDR5 memory up to 128 GB. The motherboard also includes features such as Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, making it an ideal choice for gaming or content creation. For the CPU, we recommend the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X processor. This CPU has 8 cores and 16 threads, which makes it a powerful choice for gaming or multitasking. It also has a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz and a boost clock speed of 4.7 GHz. Which ensures speedy performance in demanding applications. To keep this beast under control, we are pairing it with the NZXT Kraken X53, which is a high-performance liquid CPU cooler with a 240mm radiator, 2 Air P120 fans, and a copper base, which helps to dissipate heat quickly and efficiently, opening a lot of room for overclocking. It also features customizable RGB lighting, which adds a nice touch to your build. For memory, we recommend 32 GB of G.Skill Trident Z5 RGB, two 16 GB sticks. This memory kit features 32 GB of DDR5 memory and has a clock speed of 6400 MHz, which ensures speedy performance. It also has RGB lighting, which adds a nice touch to our build. For storage, we choose the Samsung 980 Pro 1TB. This SSD offers fast read and write speeds and can handle large files and applications with ease. And if 1TB isn't enough, you can still have the 2TB model for only $60 more. Now let's move on to the graphics card. We recommend the XFX Black Edition Radeon RX 7900 XT. This graphics card is a powerhouse. It can power up to 4 monitors and can handle any game or application you throw at it. It has a boost clock speed of up to 2340 MHz and features 20 GB of GDDR6 memory. So either you are a serious gamer or video editor, this GPU will give you a pleasant experience even at a 4K resolution. To house all these components, we recommend the Fractal Design Pop Air Mid-Tower case. This case has a sleek design and ample space to accommodate all your components. It also has good airflow and comes with 3 pre-installed fans for optimal cooling. And comes in a lot of colors to choose from, but we gonna stick with the black one at the moment. And finally, to power the system, we recommend the Corsair RM750X. It is certified 80+ gold and it's fully modular, which allows for easy cable management and improves airflow. With an output of 750 watts, it's an efficient and reliable choice. All the components already mentioned were chosen with aesthetics in mind, and to complete the look of our build I recommend getting some custom cables. Overall, this PC build comes in at around $2,000 and offers great value for its price. By this you can build a powerful machine that can handle even the most demanding tasks, from gaming to content creation. We hope that this video has provided you with the necessary information to build your dream PC within your budget. As always, links for all the products mentioned in this video are in the comments below. And if you have any questions or recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on PC Party.